Good morning. I am K. Palnivel, Assistant Professor of Mathematics, SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. Today, I am going to the case study Power Flow Analysis by Newton Method. Abstract: the optimal power flow is a critical control task for reliable and efficient operation power grids. OPF studies to minimize both the power distribution losses and the cost of power drawn from the substation without affecting on the voltage regulation. This case study discuss the Newton's Raphson method that can uses with the OPF control for the stability of power system. This method has a faster solution for load flow analysis with optimized techno economical and saving the stable system. The Newton-Raphson method is requiring an initial condition and work. Next, introduction. Going to the introduction. The advanced development of power grid system for future will give immediate impacts of a new connection such as power flow direction, protection voltage profile, power quality and stability. The purpose of power flow studies is to plan ahead and account for various hypothetical situations. Smart grid considered as future electrical power generation uses calculation tools methods on flow of electricity and information. Create widely distributed automated energy delivery network. The algorithm for the power flow calculation based on the Newton's method in optimization allows to find a solution for the situation when initial data are outside the existence domain and put the operation point into the feasibility boundary by the formulation of active and reactive power entering a bus. It is define the quantities. Also assume the current entering a bus to be positive and that leaving the bus the negative the consequences. As consequence, the power and reactive power entering bus will also be assumed to be positive. Data for load flow. The active and reactive power grid a bus denoted by BGA and QGA respectively. Also the real and reactive power consumed at the ith bus by VLI and QLI respectively. Since the magnitudes of all the voltages and their angles are not known prior, an iterative procedure must be used to estimate the bus voltage and their angles in order to calculate the mismatches. Simulation of power flow and by Newton's method. Let us assume that an bus power system contains a number of PQ buses. The number of PV is such that N equal to NP plus NG plus 1. Bus 1 is assumed to be a slack bus. We shall further use is the mismatch equations del PA and del QA given in respectively. The approach of Newton's method load flow is similar to that of solving system nonlinear equations using Newton's method. At each iteration we have to form Jacobian matrices. Load flow algorithm given step 1, step 2 and step 3, 4, 5 and 6 steps are the load flow algorithms. Finally, going to the conclusion. Today electric grid was designed to operate as a vertical structure consisting of generation, transmission and distribution and advanced control support devices for reliability and stability efficiency. Next, Newton's method can be used to solve the power flow problems to save the stability system with the increasing on electric network. Newton's method calculation steps by minimizing the square sum of discrepancies of nodal capacities. During the power flow calculation, the determinant of matrix is positive around 0 and negative value of Jacobian matrix determinants. Therefore, the Newton's method of optimization of power flow calculations methods to calculate the power flow analysis and calculations used this one case study. Thank you for watching once again.